Hi, this is Ariel and RYDER. They recently completed a pet training program with Canine Control. And I'd just like to ask a few questions of Ariel. By the way, before I say anything, I think he's done a very good job with the dog. He's probably in the top 5 or 10 percentile of dogs that go through our training program. And that's, I give a lot of credit to the handler because the program only works as well as you follow the directions. So obviously, based on this dog's outstanding result, the directions were followed very well. How old is RYDER?
He's about 10 months old.
He's about 10 months old now, and 10-month-old standard poodle. And tell us about the program. Just how long had we been coming about? Would you say?
Probably, let's say 4 months.
4 months, once a week. We came every week.
Once a week.
We gave you homework. You followed the directions.
I practice RYDER every day.
Did you find that the way that we explained everything to you made sense? Did you feel like you understood the basic principles and it made sense to you?
Oh, surely it made sense. It was like preparation for the whole training.
Do you feel that you learned a lot about the basic fundamental idea how to train a dog by going through it with the dog?
I sure did. I probably end up teaching some other guys' dogs.
There you go. There you go. Listen, you did very well. I wouldn't be surprised if people asked you to train their dog. You did very well. Did you notice a big change in RYDER from when we started to the way he is now, as far as his behaviors?
Very big difference. Very big difference. He follows everything, all the commands now, and he's not the same as before. He doesn't do his accidents in the house, and he's pretty good.
You feel comfortable taking him outside now without the leash, that he'll listen to you, that he'll follow your commands?
Yeah, I don't even need a leash to take him out of the house.
And those were some of his issues. We had some issues with his housebreaking. I mean, he's kind of he wasn't overly problematic compared to some of the dogs that we deal with, but he did have some issues with housebreaking and being dirty in the house, and we made suggestions about that. Now he goes outside in the backyard, and that's been fixed, and like you said, he follows the commands very well. The program took, like you said, just to reiterate, the program took about 4 months. The dog's only 9 or 10 months old already, and he's basically fully trained as far as, all his obedience commands. And I would just like to ask you at the end, what did you think about the service? Were we reliable? Did you feel like we provided what we promised you? Do you feel like we did what we promised we were going to do?
Yeah, I think basically, you've done everything that you promised the dog owner that you should do, that you will do, and I would definitely recommend you to people I know who needs a dog trainer.
Listen, thanks a lot, Ariel. I think you did a great job again, and you've been a great client. Thanks a lot. RYDER, heel. what's up. Heel. Stop again. Ready? Ryder, heel. Good boy. Ryder, heel. Sit. Ryder, sit. Good boy. Down. Sit. Heel. Good boy. Heel.